Mellow Mechanic here. Got a project I'm working on today, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. I want to upgrade my my camera system for these videos, and the system was using is this right here. So it's just a cheap tripod with a GoPro. I don't even know what this is. Ooh, it's a Hero 3 Plus on it with a wired microphone. I've made most of my videos using this setup right here, and it works pretty good. A couple downsides is the batteries don't last very long. I don't like the wired microphone. I can't step away. And I'd like something where I could walk around and hold it instead of holding this entire tripod right there. So what I got is this mount right here, and this mount is really cool because it's all aluminum. It was only like 30 bucks on Amazon. It's got a mount down there and a bunch of mounts on the back here. It's got a cam lock there. Spring loaded. So I'm going to use this to hold my phone, which I'm using now. I'll hold my phone on that, but what I'd like is underneath like a handle I can hold. So instead of holding it right here and walking around with it, I have an actual handle that I can hold like this. So this is going to be part of it. And this is an old aero bar off a road bike, off a lady's road bike. Carbon fiber, super light, and it's the right diameter for my grip. So what I can do is slide the grip onto there. And here's what I need to make is an insert that goes here, probably out of aluminum, and I'll just glue it in. That will screw to the bottom of this, which is just a 1/4 from that guy, and just attach it just like so. Like that. So the grip will be down here. This will have the height I need, and then the mount, and then my camera will be up there. And I think that'll work good. Oh, I need to trim it down because what I want to do, here's my box of my camera parts. So I want it to fit in there. So I need to trim it, probably fit this way. I need to trim the bottom off, maybe do that line. So it'll fit in here. Because when I'm not filming, I put all my stuff in here, close it up, and put it under the workbench. So let's do that. And let's see if I can find some aluminum to use to make that part. All right, digging through my bin of extra material, I found this piece of aluminum that I can use. We'll turn that down. We'll put a little step on it so it'll capture the end here, right to there, and measure the inside diameter, and it should just slip in there. We will tap for a 1/4. Cut a little 1/4 stud. And that just screw into there, and that should do it. Let's go put this in the lathe. All right, I got it all chucked up in the lathe, and what I need to do is find out where to put this part here for now. Turn this down to the outside diameter of this part, and then turn a step for the inside diameter. Face it, drill, tap, 1/4, and then chop it off, and we're done. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, that's a nice snug fit. Look at that. I do not even need any glue. All right, let me cut that off. We'll face it, drill, tap, and we'll be done. All right, I got a saw right on this edge here. Best thing to do when you want to cut a round part is put it in something that'll grip it, like these vice grips. Otherwise, it'll spin on you. Could hurt you. So let's cut this. All right, we got that all chopped off. Put it back in our lathe. There we go. All right, let's face this. Too far. Just like that. All right, now take my center out, get my chuck, put him in there. Let's do something. Oh, you can see it. Ooh, yeah, let's do that. Need a center drill. This guy out. Get close enough. Now, a quarter 20 needs a number 7 drill, which I have. All right. Yeah. Go ahead and throw this in. Come on, now. There it goes. All right. Let me get my tap here. I got one I want to use. It's better than the one in the. I like this spiral fluted tap. Seems to work better. So what I'll do is grab my holder. Whoops. Just so we're straight. This here. So, almost like we know what we're doing. What I like about this tap is it seems to clear out the chips better because it's got that spiral fluid on it. They get all cloggy like the other ones. There we go. Now we're attaching. Just like that. We're through. There we go. And just like that, we're done. There it is. Let's find a screw that'll fit there. 1/4-inch screw. All right, let's see what we got that we can use. Like that one. That's 3/8. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Look at that, first try. There we go. I'll put a little bit of Loctite on that. That should hold it. Probably some Loctite on this and shove that in there. I might need to trim that down because that looks a little long. I'll do that right now. There it is. All right, I'll switch back to my GoPro camera, and I'm curious to see the difference using my iPhone 13 micro or small, whatever they call it. Anyway, here's the mount. Here's the piece we made. I trimmed that. It's going to screw in there just like so. What I want to do is, because this is curved, I want this would be the part facing me, so I want to line that up there. And I don't know if I need any Loctite in this or not. If I can just shove that in there. Let's try it. Yeah, that's just pressed in there. It unscrews. That part stays in there. Screw. Oh, there it goes. I'll screw it in this way. And it's clocked pretty good with this corner. The neat thing about this is I can screw it here and screw it into one of these. Just like that. So, another tool in my video toolbox. Boom. There it is. Now what I got to do is cut the bottom up off this and slide on the grip. And we're done. All right, now what you don't want to do is take this part and go cut it on the bandsaw right there. Because it will cut it, but it's really going to dull the blade because this carbon fiber is super turbo abrasive. So what I'm going to do is just take the time, use my trusty old hacksaw here. See if I can get this started. Boom, there we go. Let's slide on the grip and we're done. All right, now I got to slide on the grip. I filed the end here just a little bit to take that edge off. Now there's a couple ways we can slide this grip on. Is we could just kind of force it and hope it slides on. I like to use alcohol because it kind of lubricates it, then it evaporates. I've even, started here. You get your air gun and you can shoot air in here and it'll just kind of float down. That works too. Hairspray works, but I don't have any hair, so I don't have any hairspray. I just find this is the quickest way to do it. Just put some alcohol in there. Just bring it all the way down. Now try to make sure it's nice and straight. Doesn't look all curvy and weird. Boom. There it is. Let's put this thing together. Let's see here. See what it looks like all finished. It goes there. Put the alcohol off. Boom. There it is. It's like a really nice selfie stick. And this should make filming easier to hold the camera. Should stabilize it better. Be less shaky. See what it looks like with the GoPro on it. All right, we're back on the iPhone. Tell you what, let's do this. Boom, zoom out. There it is. Pretty cool with the GoPro on it. Yeah, I think this will work nice. So, let me know in the comments if you can tell the difference between GoPro footage and iPhone footage. Anyway, this is a fun little project, and I think it'll work well for me. So anyway, I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.